2 weeks ago, the cops showed up at my house. They said the neighbors reported a dog outside in the freezing cold. And when they showed up, it was a husky. And they told me that I need to put a blanket on that husky or that husky's gonna freeze. So they gave me a fine that one time and it was $100. So I'm not trying to get fined again. So this time I gave Hershey a blanket. Think Hershey liked it? Let me know in the comments. So the cops and animal control both showed up at my house last night. They said the neighbors reported animal neglect. They reported they seen a dog sitting outside all day in the cold weather. And when the cops showed up, they noticed it was a husky and said, "I'm sorry, dude. If I would have known it was a husky, we wouldn't have came." I told the cops that the neighbors do this all the time, and I don't understand why. They call the cops show up, cops say it was a waste of time. But then the cops stopped me and said, "Hey, why does he have a life vest on?" And I said to him, "It's really for his own safety. The dog likes to go for swims, and I just want to protect him, make sure that he stays safe." And the cops didn't understand. But I told them I had a pool, and they still didn't understand.
Hey Rory, some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather. You gonna come in? Hey Rory, some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather.